Have you met someone who has truly inspired you? Who has dared to dream beyond the boundaries set by society? Meet Rahul, a person with vision impairment who is redefining the meaning of vision. What's his vision? To create an accessible universe for others. He has a goal to pursue a degree in artificial intelligence from the UK. Take a look at his story and help him on his journey to reach his destination. Tell us something about yourself.
Hey guys, my name is Rahul Gazre. I belong to a small village near Pandharpur, Maharashtra. I have completed my 12th commerce from SP College, Pune. Apart from this, I am a tech enthusiast. I love to do a poetry, writing and song composing. But my first love will always remain for computer science, and hence I want to pursue a degree in artificial intelligence from the University of Sussex in UK.
Why do you want to study artificial intelligence?
Have you thought ever why studying science is a difficult for a person with visual impairment? Do you know that we are not taught mathematics beyond 7th grade? Today people have reached on the moon and Mars with the help of science and technology. But visually impaired people on the earth does not have fully accessible software which will help us understand science diagrams and complex mathematical equations. Even the entertainment field is not accessible for us. There is no accessible software for music production, and we need a person to describe a movie scene to us. To bridge this gap and make the whole world accessible for visually impaired people, I want to study artificial intelligence.
Who is your inspiration?
Actually, I have two inspirations. My first inspiration is Karthik Soni. He is also a person with 100% visual impairment from Delhi. He had faced a rejection from IIT, but that didn't stop him from achieving his dreams. He graduated from the Stanford University in the field of computer science, and now he works at Microsoft to make accessible software for visually impaired people. My second inspiration is Shrikant Bola, the great entrepreneur. He is a founder of Bolant Industries, a packaging company. He is also a person with a 100% visual impairment. He has graduated from Massachusetts Institute of Technology in the field of business management, and now he provides employment to the person with disability.
Why do you want to study abroad? Why not in India?
There is a lot of stigma around disabilities in India. Even after scoring 90% in my 10th grade, I was not allowed to take science in my 11th and 12th. Hence, I am not able to study BSc or BTech in artificial intelligence in India, because there is a compulsory requirement of 12th science to study these degrees. But this is not the case abroad.
So, what's your biggest hurdle?
At the moment, it's just financial. I have everything else ready. The support from my family and friends, my determination to study, and of course an offer letter from University of Sussex to study BSc Artificial Intelligence. I only need some help to pay my tuition fees and living expenses. That's approximately rupees 35 lakhs per year for 3 years. I know this is a huge amount, but if everyone gives little contribution towards this, I'm sure we will achieve this target together.
Why should we help you?
Why not? After all, I am trying to set an example and lead the way for other VI persons to achieve more and dream big. So if you would like to be a part of my journey, any little contribution would be highly appreciated.
What if you do achieve your goal?
I will be on top of this world. I cannot wait to begin study this course and bring a much needed change in the way society perceives a person with visual impairment. So guys, I'm looking forward to your positive support. Thank you so much for listening to my story.
You inspired by Rahul's story? Help him make this dream into a reality. Join our campaign today to support his education and let him lead the way into an accessible universe tomorrow.